Hello, this is Summer Marthaler putting together her PowerPoint presentation for Marketing Principles, my Spring 2020 semester. Today we're going to look at Pistols Chocolate Corporation with my candy bar name called Pistols Imperial Bar. My corporation name is Pistols Chocolate Corporation. And I chose this name because sometimes I'm referred to as Pistol, and I thought with my candy bar containing chocolate, I'd call it Pistol's Chocolate Corporation. My mission statement is to provide the highest quality candy bars and services to our customers in an efficient and timely manner. And I chose this as my mission statement because giving our consumer the highest quality candy bar is important for them to be a returning customer. And to provide that candy bar in an efficient and timely manner is significant to our customer to have it available at all times. My primary target is going to be the generations of Generation X and the Xennials, which are the age ranges of 35 to 55-year-olds. I'm going to gear towards the middle class to the upper class. And my geographic location rollout will be the United States on the West Coast, particularly starting in California. I'm going to choose the conscientious, healthy, active lifestyle for my candy bar to target. My product name and information. I've named my candy bar Pistols Imperial Bar, and this will tie in with my corporation name. The main ingredients that I chose to use in my candy bar are going to be dark chocolate over milk chocolate, and I'll have granola, peanut butter, almonds, cranberries, and blueberries, with my package being 1.4 ounces. Product pricing. My cost of production for the manufacturer is going to be at 70 cents. And my wholesale cost to my retailer per bar is going to be $1.05. And my profit as manufacturer will be at 35 cents with a 33.3% profit. My SRP to my consumer per bar is going to be $1.65. And my retailer profit based on my suggested retail price, it will be 60 cents with a 36.4% profit. My top competitors. My first top competitor is the Kind Bar, and it's a peanut butter dark chocolate, which is kind of similar to what I'm going for. And their main ingredients are peanuts, glucose syrup, almonds, honey, sugar, and they sell their bar for $1.75. So mine will be just under that. And my bar is different from that competitor because I'm going to use alternative to sugar, and then I'm not going to use peanuts, but I'll use almonds instead. And these Kind bars, in my geographic rollout area, they sell them in Walmart and Costco wholesales. My second competitor is Nature Valley Fruit and Nut Chewy Trail Mix Granola Bar. And they also use whole grain oats, corn syrup, almonds, raisins, sugar, roasted peanuts, and cranberries, where I'm going to put more berries, and I'll also use almonds. They sell their bar for $1.55. And my bar is different than my competitor because I'll have an alternative to sugar that's going to make my bar healthier, and I'll remove raisins from my recipe as my own personal choice. These bars are also sold in Walmart and Costco wholesale, the same as my first competitor. Retail locations. My first and second retail outlets that I'm going to gear for our Whole Foods Market, which is looked at as a more healthy grocery store, and Ralph's. Both of these are huge grocery store chains on the West Coast, particularly in California. My SWOT analysis, also referred to as differential advantage. I have a couple internal strengths. My product is a healthy vegan and organic product. It's also culturally acceptable by the Muslim culture, which is very prominent on the West Coast, particularly California. So I'll be able to make it halal approved to get more consumers. My internal weaknesses is there are a number of similar products as mine, and the location of my business being in rural Wisconsin. My external opportunity, I should be able to have an international market opportunity. I'll use the internet to market that. But my external threats is the cost that it's going to cost me to travel my product from my geographic location in Wisconsin to the West Coast. And then bad reviews, of course, can hurt anyone's products. So there's a recent trend in the candy bar industry, and it's about putting claims on your package, and in my case, a vegan claim. There is a market demand for this right now, so it's a huge plus for my candy bar. If you want to read more about it, the link is above. My slogan is running on healthy. It's a benefit to my consumers to know their product is healthy since I'm gearing towards the health conscientious, healthy lifestyle. A lot of those people are into walking and running. And so running on healthy just made sense to me. It's easy and catchy to remember. The media that I'm going to use, I'm going to have it in women's and men's magazines. Examples, Women's Health or Women's Day or the Men's Journal, Sports Illustrated, to have ads in those magazines for people to visually see. I'll also put it in newspapers that are very common, which would be like the USA Today, the Times, or the Chronicle, which are all newspapers that are on the West Coast. I'll have commercials on HGTV and TLC for TV shows. I'll have a voice ad on radio stations on the West Coast. I'll put ads on Facebook or Twitter, social media being so prominent these days, to have my ads on there to make them visually for people to see. And a lot of runners will listen to podcasts or walkers and have my ads slipped in there between what they're listening to on the healthier active lifestyle and running podcasts. My consumer promotions, I'd have an instant redemption coupon on my product, maybe 50 cents off, where the purchaser will immediately see that when they're looking at different varieties, that with 50 cents off mine would be huge savings for them. Sweepstakes, I'd hold a biggest fan picture contest. They could win a free year of granola or candy bars. It'd be open to all ages. It'd be submitted online through the webpage, and people would vote by liking the picture on Facebook. I'd have it run for 6 months, and we'd have a big winner, and then we'd promote the winner on our Facebook page. Contests that I could possibly run, I do where they take a picture on where do they run with the landscape in the background. They'd have to have the picture of either them holding my candy granola bar or just visually seen in the picture with their landscape and them. It'd be a 3-month contest. The winner would win a free box of candy or granola bars, some swag for my company, and then I would use that photo of the winner for national billboards for the consecutive year. I could also do sales where if they bought 20 of my candy bars, they could get 5 free as an incentive. And then free samples. I'd run a free sample ad in a weekly newspaper, and then I would have people coming into the store to try free samples, or I could mail them to them. Trade promotions to my retailers. I'd have a sale discount of 35 cents per bar. I'd pay my retailer $50 a week if they'd let me put a display up in their store. That's going to help promote my product. It's also going to get people to see my product. And then if I offer free samples, it'll also give them the availability to try it before purchasing it. And I could add co-op money, where I'd pay my retailer 15% of my total sales if they would run my product in their weekly ad or flyer for the time that flyer would be ran. And here is a picture of my candy bar wrapper. I have my 3 claims on the top right of the package, being vegan, USDA organic, and the M stands is the halal symbol that I would use. I love that my product would be made in the USA. So on the front bottom left, I had that it's made in the USA. My name of my candy bar in bright red letters, Pistols Impale Your Bar, with my slogan of running unhealthy right below it. On the bottom right, I have that it's 1.4 ounces, and I also included 39.7 grams, which equals the 1.4 ounce. And in the top left, I have a very flashy new product as a visual attention grabber. And on the back, I have my nutrition facts, the barcode, my ingredient statement. I included the allergens, which are so important. My product includes milk and nuts. And on the bottom, I also included my mission statement because it's important for my purchaser to see that I want to provide that highest quality candy bar and I want to get it to them in an efficient and timely manner. Thank you for looking at my PowerPoint. Have a great day.